Hello guys, review HMD Pulse Plus. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, open box, look completion, device in the black color. In completion we have only cable type C to USB, and that's all. Okay, device black color, double camera on the back side, 6.5-inch display, slot for SIM cards and micro SD card for memory, type C port, speaker, microphone, headphones jack, and this side power button and volume buttons. Okay, good design for cheap device. Open settings, about phone, we have Android 14. Okay, close this. Open Geekbench 6, single core score and multi-core score results, GPU test results. CPU we have Unisoc T606 and GPU Mali G57M MP1. And total benchmark results, okay, good results for these price devices. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Let's look. Medium graphic level, good. And open camera. I'll show you photos on the main camera. Okay, let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.